So we have a winter storm coming, and I was getting ready to put bird food in my bird feeders for these birds, and there's a family of mice in here. There's at least two. There's one right there. They're alive. That's why I'm holding the top tight. So obviously, because there's mouse crap all over the place in here, maybe I'll just go dump the whole bag in the woods. I know, or we could eat the mice if we want. I wasn't very excited to see it. Oh my gosh, it's an itty bitty tiny hole! One. I'm gonna open the bag more now. I'm afraid to because they were like right there. No, Spark. Sparky, don't eat this bird food either, okay? I think I might eat it. Oh! There's a dead one. Oh, look at all the bird poo, or the mouse turds. Ew. Ew.